back here on Geoff and Kent's T-Bird. This would be the passenger side motor mount. Yeah. That thing was probably put in the day the car was built. Even though the engine's freshly rebuilt, it might have been freshly rebuilt eons ago, and these could have been put in the 80s or something, maybe. Either way, it's effed, so I'm replacing. So in other news, vendors all got the motor mount wrong. Every vendor shows a 61 to 63 Thunderbird as a part number with 2241. The actual part number is 2141 for both sides. So everybody's system, this is everyone. All the big national parks chains, Rock, all your internet vendors, even Bird Nest has it listed wrong. So I ended up chasing down the original Ford part number and then cross-referencing that and getting that it's a 2141. So I will be having a very nice long conversation with our vendors today. In other news, new pan is here. Nice Milodon stock replacement pan. Not a vendor sell cheaper ones. A lot of times they're back out of stock too. So with that, we bit the bullet. We spent a little more for something of higher quality, made in the USA, a Milodon pan, and we got their Milodon very nice crush-proof gasket, because cork gaskets are junk and they split and crush and leak, and we don't want that. So with that, our next step is going to be getting our gasket ready. We're going to slide our gasket in, and we're going to slide our pan in and bolt everything up. Mocking up our gasket. Obviously it's going to fit. They're from the same vendor and manufacturer. I'm going to actually put the gasket up on the engine first, and then do my bead of silicone around the pan as well. Like, I'm going to silicone this here. Then we're going to put the gasket up. Then we'll put the pan up. There's our pan. We got 2 bolts in her. Fits like a glove. Gonna bolt her all down. Be done. Alright, so the pan is in and torqued. This Milodon stock replacement pan is quite honestly probably one of the nicest fitting, don't mind me tightening up, the nicest fitting pans I've put on anything. I didn't have to wiggle on the bolt holes any. I got all my bolts started once I had the 2 in there to get it up there. And then away we go. The gasket, also by Milodon, way better than cork, but you've already heard my rant on that. So, she good, she in, she done. Time for lunch. All right, after we've completed our oil pan installation, obviously there's our crankshaft sleeve, and there is our brand new balancer, along with the other pulley. You bolt the other pulley first to the balancer. There's a brand new keyway in here as well, which you can't see. Made sure you picked up a new keyway. Slid that all on. Ran that down with the Oogie Duggies after these were torqued by hand. Done deal. On to the next fun little project.